Hello everybody, what's up? How are you guys doing? Well, for me, today wasn't a satisfying day and I just wanted to do some makeup, a beautiful one with, red and black and gray colors. So just make myself a little bit glad. This is the makeup you can do and wear anywhere you want, but it's better to do when you want to go parties or something like that. Why is red here? Anyways, but you can use less eyeshadow, so you can actually wear it when you go to work, but it's probably look a little bit too much. I wouldn't like to use a lot of contouring for this makeup, and I prefer to use more concealer to just give it some kind of ghost shape, because I think the black and red would be nice for it. Immediately after doing your concealer part, don't forget to fix it with some powder and look up while you're doing it. We'll fix it also after the contouring part under our cheekbones. As I mentioned before, I don't want to contour a lot, so I'm not gonna use some sticky contour and just the powder for here, just to give my face some, warm color. And I contour here a little bit just to give it a beautiful triangle. I don't want to make it awkward to use a lot of contour for here, so I just give it a little bit shape and shadow, like this. And if you do this, you make your nose even shorter. My nose is long. For the basic color of my eyeshadow, I use some red blush. You can use red eyeshadow, anything but red powder. Red powder. And I use it for my crease line, and I fade it to the outside. The important thing is to fade it a lot till you barely can see it. It's weird, but I don't know why I always forget about working on my eyebrows, so we just have to get back to previous level and do it. I just want to lift it a little bit. Don't really want to use some eyebrows, shadows or things. I've changed my mind. I like to use some brow shadow because I feel like it's, too empty. And because I prefer to do for parties, well, I'm not going to party without doing and working on my brows, so let's do it. But don't work it like too obvious. I see some people that use brow shadow for this part, and come on, that's really bad. This is how they're gonna look. So we just use a lot of red eyeshadow for the outside of eyes, and we have to blend it till we can. And then we're gonna use some gray and black for the middle part, and we go to it. But first, I like to use some dark red for here, because if we go from red to black, it's kind of obvious. So first red, then dark red, and then black. Then I'm gonna use this black for here and the inner part. But don't use it a lot, because we don't want a lot of black to appear in this part. And it's good. For now, I just want to use some red lip gloss for the middle part, because I want to give it some glossy red shape. And also I'm gonna use glitter on it, so it looks like some kind of glue for it. So this color, and because I don't want it to be a lot, I just use my finger. You can even fix it with powder. but I don't want to because I like how glossy it is. I use the extra one for my lips. I'm gonna work on it later, but I didn't want to waste it. I want these black parts to look a little bit darker, so I'm gonna use some black pencil too, like this. And as I promised you, we're going to use, oh my god, red glitter in the middle part. It's lovely, isn't it? I just don't know why I did this. Also a little glitter here. It would be nice. And I like to use some pink highlighter for here under my brow. You can use golden or silver too, but I like this pink. It's not very clear. And I use the same highlighter for here. Like always, I was about to forget using mascara. And you can also use false lashes for this makeup. It would be amazing, but I'm not going to because I like natural lashes. Well, I didn't want to use blush, but now that I'm thinking, I think we need a little bit of this shiny pink for under our cheeks. And the nose. And do not forget these lip pencils. I use it for my lip too because I like the color. So here it is, a red and black eyeshadows, and you can also say red makeup. So I hope you guys like this fantasy makeup. If you do, we got more fantasy makeup like this with colorful eyeshadows, colorful, you know, it's like carnival if you go and check it. So go and check the channel, subscribe, like this video, and tell me how do you like this makeup in the comments. And we had a series of makeup. It was some celebrities makeup. And tell me, do you like me to do and continue more of those celebrities makeup or not in the comments. Thank you so much guys for spending your time on this makeup and video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and bye bye.